my channel. So today's video is my September Boxycharm and try-on video. I just got home from our little mini vacation and my Boxycharm was here. So I just took off my makeup, put my kids to bed, and now I'm gonna film this for you. But yeah, I did already open it just to see exactly what I got. If you don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a $21 a month subscription site where you get 4 to 5, sometimes 6 full-size products. And honestly, this is probably the best subscription, like beauty subscription site I have. I think it is totally worth it. And I do have a link down below if you want to check it out for yourself and try it out. I honestly think you cannot go wrong with $21 a month because usually the retail value for the box is over $100. Let's just get right into the box. Okay, so I did already open it, and it always comes like protected. You have the booklet right here, and then 2 coupon codes in the back. This one's for Laura Geller, 30% off. Use the code BOXY. Yeah. And then this month's theme is Wildflower. And so you get all the products and how much they cost and just a little description of them. So let's go ahead and get into the box. So this month we have 5 items. And the first thing I see, well, first thing I'm gonna take out is this Luscious Cosmetics eyeshadow primer slash base. Angel Eyes is what it's called. And this is in the shade Nude. And this is such a cute packaging. I love purple. But yeah, so we're gonna start off with this. And this retails for $14. Okay, so that feels really nice. It feels like concealer. I would say a little goes a long way. This is 0.33 fluid ounces and it retails for $14 like I said. But I think you just need like a tiny, like half a pea size amount for both lids. The next thing in the box are by Alamad Cosmetics, and it's this trio brush set. And these are called the Ojitos brush set, and ojitos means eyes or little eyes in Spanish if you didn't know. And these retail for $18. So you get a small flat definer brush, which I like using these to clean up under my brows. Then you have this like flat synthetic brush, and these are good to like pack on like glitters or like glitter glue and stuff onto your lid. I love those for that, or carving out the crease. And the next one is this blending brush. I know Gabby said that she likes to use this for like concealer too under her eyes. But I would just use it for a blending brush. So since I already cleaned up under my brows, I don't think I'm gonna use this brush today, but we'll see maybe for my lower lash line. But yeah, and the next thing I'm gonna grab from the palette, this is the Nightingale Pretty Vulgar Eyeshadow Palette, and that's what this looks like. And this packaging is so sturdy. Like I thought it was gonna be like a cheap, like not heavy palette. This is really like it has weight on it. And this retails for $35. So before we get into the eye look, I'm just gonna go ahead and do the last 2 items. So the next thing is the Lorac Pro Matte Lip Color, and I got the shade Cabernet. This retails for $19. So I was scared that I was gonna get like a purple color, but I got this pretty like wine maroon shade. I'm not sure if it's really picking up on the camera, but I'll do a quick swatch. It's so pretty. So I'm so glad I got like a wearable color, and it's perfect for fall. And the last thing in the box is the Laura Geller Baked Blush and Brighten blush, and this is in the shade Tropical Hues, and this retails for $28. I've always wanted to try her blushes. I love her Gilded Honey highlighter, Like, it is my favorite, and I've always wanted to try her blushes. So now I get to try it. That's what this looks like, and I'll go ahead and give you a quick swatch. Oh, that's so pretty. So it's like a pinky peach shade. I love it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and try out this palette. I'm just gonna speed through it, and then at the end, I'm gonna come back and tell you how I feel about it. Okay, so this is the eye look with liner, mascara, and lashes. And honestly, I really didn't think I was gonna like this palette, but I actually really do like it. It's a really different palette from what I have in my collection, and I'm so glad that they gave something that's a little more different, because it is more cool tone and more smoky, and I don't have that in my collection. I think the only palette I have like that is my Naked 2, but I honestly think I will use this palette quite a bit. If not on myself, then like on other people. But I mean, the formula is great. I love it. I do like the eye look I came up with. It did come out a little more smoky than I planned, and I didn't even go into the black. Like, it's that pigmented. But yeah, so I really enjoy that. And the brushes are really nice. They're super soft. The blending brush worked amazing. You can never have enough blending brushes. But yeah, so let's go ahead and continue with the rest of the stuff. So the next thing is the Laura Geller blush. So it's one of those blushes that gives color and a shine, which I like. I don't mind. Like, I do have oily skin, but I actually don't mind it. And this blush is super pretty. I don't know if you can tell on camera. Okay, and the last product and the last step is the Lorac Pro Matte Lip, and this is the shade Cabernet. So this is the shade. It does come off a little darker than what's on the end. I mean, I really do like this lip. It's a pretty color. It feels good. It doesn't feel drying. Like, it actually has some moisture, I guess. Yeah, so this is the completed look. I wouldn't necessarily pair this lip with this eye just because it's a little too dark, and I'm not really like a super bold like lip and eye at the same time kind of girl, but I love them. But yeah, so like I said, I think this month's box was amazing. I actually really enjoyed it. When I first opened it, I was kind of disappointed because I kind of wanted the, what is it, Butter London liner and the Hank and Henry lippy. I was really looking forward to those. But I mean, I actually really enjoyed that eyeshadow primer. But the palette is so good. The blush is beautiful, went on nicely. The lip, I like it. It's not drying at all. It's not like kiss proof or transfer proof. The brushes worked really good, and yeah, so overall I would say this box was a really good box. And the total retail value of the box is $114, which, I mean, always amazes me how you only pay $21 a month. But yeah, so that concludes today's try-on video. I hope you all enjoy, and don't forget, if you want to check out Boxycharm and try it out for yourself, I do have a link down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.